Grumpy, and welcome to another episode of Grumpy Got Law Kitchen, where today we're getting a little healthy again. We're doing some healthy turkey meatloaf.
Go ahead and go on the YouTube bar, click on the red subscribe button, and then ring the bell to get notified of all the new videos that are coming out. You can be on top of everything.
Alright, so now we're going to talk about our ingredients. Our first ingredient is going to be breadcrumb. Then after that, our green onion. Followed by our red onion, our marinara sauce, which is Prego, our chive for garnish, our lean ground turkey, followed by our feta cheese, eggs, bell peppers, paprika, black pepper. The top off. Like that. Then we're going to go ahead and take the seeds in the middle part out, the flesh, just like that. Take it all out, and then go ahead and right in half, just like that. And then we're going to go ahead and sleeve it. So, just like that, slice it all the way down, then bring it back in. Get a nice little dice. Mash it all up. Boom, boom, boom. It's a little ugly. That's all we need. Put it in our bowl with our bell pepper. And then we're going to go ahead and move on to the next part, which is our red onion. So now we're going to take the back off of this. Go ahead and we're going to make a little line. No, we're not. Came off easily. We're going to cut it down the middle like that. Start sauteing our vegetables. We're going to add our bell pepper and our onion, followed by a little bit of our salt, and of course our friend pepper. And we're going to go ahead and saute this in. Alright, so now what your sauteed vegetables could look like after you're done. Nice brown, a little bit of sweating there, and reduce down inside. So now we're going to put this to the side, let it cool off, go ahead and get ready to add to the loafy part. So the first thing we're going to do is get our turkey. Open up. Make sure, of course, you always have your gloves on. I'm going to crack it open. The first thing you're going to do is put it right in your bowl, off to the side. Like that. You're going to do like crack it real easy. Just like that. You want to just get them in there. And we're going to do 3 eggs total. Just like that. And then we're going to go ahead and work on adding our garlic, which is going to be our feta, tomato sauce, and our garlic. So we're going to do 2 tablespoons of feta. We're going to do 2 tablespoons of garlic. And because I like you, we're going to do 3 tablespoons, if not more, of the marinara. So 1, 2, 3, and for good measure, 4. And then the last thing we're going to add, breadcrumbs. We're going to do about half a cup of that, and then we're going to put gloves back on and mix it to the mix, and we're going to go ahead and start mixing everything. So we're going to break all your turkey stuff down, just like that. Break it all down. Now we're going to take our lovely, lovely little loaf here. We're going to move it to our dish, just like that. Smooth and easy. Make sure you get all the little tidbits, and then you're going to go ahead and just smooth it out. Pan and it's our turkey loaf. The only thing we gotta do now is make it look pretty. So we're gonna take a little bit of our chive, put a little rub like that, boom, salt baked style, and there you go. A fresh, alright, healthy. If you lasted this long watching my video, why don't you do yourself a favor and click the subscribe button, followed by liking, and then leave me a comment. Let me know how you feel.
I'll see you next time. I'm Grumpy. I'll holla.